About this item: remote control and 3 lighting modes. Each solar motion sensor light is equipped with wireless remote control. You can choose the most suitable mode: faster and more portable, strong light sensor mode, dim light sensor mode, strong long light mode. Different lighting way for your daily requirement. Super bright solar motion sensor lights. The solar outdoor lights equipped with 210 super bright LED beads, produce up to 2500 lm 6500K high brightness output and good heat dissipation. Perfectly illuminate your courtyard, garage, swimming pool. Wide angle illumination and PIR motion inductor. 3 adjustable heads. Design can move upwards, downwards, and horizontally. With innovative wide angle and intelligent induction control, solar floodlight detects up to 270 degrees wide lighting angle and 26 feet sensing distance, which can provide extra brightness and more visible area. Long working time. This solar powered floodlight has a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery with the high efficiency solar panel to ensure that it can be charged at less light day. The solar light will be charged auto in the daytime and start working in darkness. So please install these lights under sunshine for effective battery charging. IP65 waterproof and wireless design. These solar lights are made of durable material. IP65 waterproof ensures the outdoor light fixture can function well even in heavy rain, snowstorms. Its wireless design are easy to install, no needed with annoying wires or adapters, and no need to buy batteries. Only need to use the